This is the Igbo audiobook recording for the Igbo for Beginners book. Author Ijoma Kubwe and also narrator is Ijoma Kubwe. All right, published 2022. ISBN 978-1916301351. So once again, this is Ijoma Kubwe narrating, and this book is dedicated to my family. So the way to use this book, you'll find a page that says Usoro Akwụkwọ, and that means like a guide how to use the book. And here it says, thank you for using this book to learn Igbo. You have a pronunciation guide, mini conversations and stories, along with speaking, writing, and puzzle exercises to help you learn lots of words. There are spaces where you can draw pictures, write words or sentences that you have learned. Jisie ike, Chukwu gozie gị. So jisie ike means keep it up, keep up the good work, more grace, more strength. Chukwu gozie gị, God bless you. Now chapter 1, pronunciation. We'll go through the alphabets, okay? Below are the Igbo alphabets with similar sounds in English shown in the brackets. The meaning of the words are explained in later pages. So what this means is I'm going to be focusing on pronunciation first, and towards the end of the chapter, you'll find out what the words actually mean. I'll say the letter and I'll say a word that has that letter in it. That letter might be in the beginning or in the middle or at the end. Okay? A, aka, a, aka. B, biye, b, biye. Ch, oche,